Hey geometry students! In this video, we're going to use some of the properties you've learned to find different lengths and angle measurements in quadrilaterals. Let's start with rectangles. As you know, a rectangle has four right angles. Each angle is 90 degrees. In a rectangle, opposite sides are the same length. Let's do an example. This figure, EHGF, is a rectangle. Let's start by finding out how big angle E is. Well, we originally said that a rectangle has right angles. Each one is 90 degrees. So that means that angle E is 90 degrees. Angle H is also an angle in the rectangle. Therefore, it is 90 degrees. Now we'll look at the sides. Opposite sides are the same length. This means that the top and the bottom are equal. EH will be equal to FG. We are shown that FG is 50, so EH must also be 50. The left and right sides will be equal to each other. So the left side, FE, will equal the right side, GH. GH is 41, so FE must be 41. Now let's learn about the diagonals of a rectangle. Diagonals connect opposite corners of quadrilaterals. So this line connecting corners L and R is a diagonal. There are two diagonals in a rectangle, and those will both be the same length. Our shape, LMRP, is a rectangle. Let's find some measurements. How big is angle M? Well, on the previous slide, we talked about how all rectangles have 90-degree angles. So angle M is 90 degrees. Let's find the length of PR. Remember, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So PR, the bottom, will be equal to LM, the top. LM is shown as 3. PR is 3. Now we're looking for the length of MR. MR equals blank centimeters. So we'll find MR. That's the right side of the rectangle. It's equal to the left side of the rectangle. LP is 4 centimeters, so MR is also 4 centimeters. And finally, we're looking for the length of PM. You'll notice PM is not drawn. That's a diagonal. I can draw to connect corner P to corner M. It should be a straight line. Forgive my drawing. We know that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So we were told that the first diagonal was 5 centimeters. That means that our other diagonal, PM, is also 5 centimeters.